Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by selecting the one photo you want on your home screen. Pick it now in Photos or Files. Once chosen, crop to match your device aspect ratio so icons won't cover faces. This preserves composition. Make sure the file is not huge. If it is, resize or export a lighter copy to avoid lag. These steps set you up to apply the image directly as wallpaper without extra apps, and they speed the final placement and preview step. You now open your device wallpaper settings and pick the prepared image. Once selected, choose the home screen only option so your lock screen stays unchanged, and then position and scale the photo, pinch to zoom, and drag to center important elements. Use perspective or motion settings cautiously. Turning them off avoids unwanted parallax. When satisfied, tap Set to commit the change. This direct method ensures your icons align with the photo and prevents automatic adjustments that ruin composition. You finish by inspecting the home screen. Make sure icons are legible over the image. If not, add a translucent widget or use a lightly blurred version. If cropping removed key parts, go back and recrop with extra padding or a different aspect ratio to preserve the subject. If the wallpaper doesn't apply or reverts, restart your device and retry the set action. That often clears cached previews. These final checks lock in the look and solve the most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.